Hey friends, if you wish to fix unknown hard error on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a malware scan. So search for MRT in the search bar and go to the malware removal tool. Wait till it loads, select next, full scan, next, and then let it run through. The next solution is to update drivers in Windows. Right click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and then select advanced options. Select optional updates and install all the optional updates. Return to the Windows Update page. Click on check for updates. The next solution is clean boot. So search for system configuration and go to system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And finally, you can recover your system. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore, select next, choose a good restore point, next, finish, and then click on yes to initiate the process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.